Now we are going to check the demo for face recognition for multiple faces with deep learning concept. Now enter the ID of the student, enter the mobile number of the parent, so now you have to click on the add student, in which the camera will open and then you can detect, you can train the face. This is the training phase. You have to show your face completely with slightly up, left and right sides and all. So press Q to exit. Now you can add the second student. You can add any number of students here. Now I am adding and training myself. So it is done now. We have to train the images. So click on the train. Now it will take automatically. The FaceNet is used in the deep learning concepts. So the training is going now. It will take 1 to 2 minutes of time. So let us wait for it. We are going to detect the face using this face detection camera. I am far away from the camera now. Press Q to release it, and the face detection started now. faces are detected. And the message is sent to parents with the given number. The detected face are Thiru here and Geeta. So two faces being detected, and in the report.excel attendance will be updated here. Here for this particular date 28, so it is given present, and it will be added. If you are capturing for the next day it will be added as a column here. And the implementation details are given here. So this is a multiple face detection with deep learning technique. We have used FaceNet as the model, and these are all the steps involved in executing the project. Thanks for visiting. All the best.